In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a theme and its variants in PowerPoint 2019 and 365. This is a great way to refresh your presentation and make it more visually appealing without having to start from scratch. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. You can do this by finding the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Once open, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance. This could be an existing project you're working on or perhaps templates you've downloaded earlier. Make sure you have it open and ready for editing. With your presentation active, look towards the top area of your screen. There you should see multiple tabs like File, Home and Insert. But what we're interested in is the Design tab, so go ahead and click on the Design tab. This is where PowerPoint gives you the flexibility to change the overall layout and feel of your presentation. Now once you're in the Design tab, you'll notice a section dedicated to themes. Themes are pre-made collections of colors, fonts, effects and backgrounds that give your presentation a cohesive look. Simply click on the Themes drop-down menu. Here you'll see a variety of themes you can apply. Go ahead and click on a theme to preview it on your slides. It's that simple. This is an excellent way to see which theme best fits the mood or message of your presentation without committing to it right away. After selecting a theme, the next step is to customize it further by altering its variants. Variants in PowerPoint allow you to tweak the color scheme to better suit your content or personal preferences. Look for the Variants section. It's typically next to the Themes area on the toolbar. Here you'll see different color squares. Click on these to explore the different color palettes available for the theme you've chosen. This is a fantastic way to ensure your slides reflect the brand colors or just the vibe you are reaching for. Remember, tinkering with themes and variants is non-destructive. This means you can freely click around, trying different combinations, until you land on the one that feels just right without worrying about losing your original content. And there you have it, a brand new look for your presentation in just a few clicks. Changing themes and variants can make a world of difference in how your audience perceives your content. It's an easy win that can dramatically up the impact and engagement of your slides. Give it a try and see what a difference it makes in your next presentation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your presentation skills.